Hey guys, thank you for joining me and welcome back. Hope you all are doing well today. So as you can see, I'm already in the zone and I've already started working on the project. I'm going to be using this frog tape. This is a painter's tape and I'm going to be using this to section off a design in my vase. So I'm going to start by cutting off 2 long strips and I'm going to place them in the direction I want the tape to lay, because I am creating a V-shaped design on the front and what would be the back of this vase. If you are interested in recreating this project, just follow this tape method that I'm using. And I'm going to do this method to another vase as well. So we're going to have 2. They're going to be 2 different colors, but I'm going to do the same tape laying design. So the next step, guys, I'm going to be using this turquoise colored paint. I'll leave the name and the link in my description section. So I'm going to start off with 1 sheer coating of paint, and then I'm going to come back in and paint it again. So I let that dry and I painted it 2 more times, and now it is completely dry, and I'm going to remove the tape. I'm just going to use my crafter's knife and just remove any excess paint that's seeped under the tape. But as it stands now, guys, the shape looks really well, but I am going to, it's not wide enough for me, so I'm going to freestyle it with a paintbrush. I'm just going to make that shape a little bit wider. Alright guys, so it is completely dry, and I have to be honest, I'm not really happy with the way this looks. So to save this project, what I'm going to do is just use a little bit of glitter. I'm going to use my clear gel tacky glue, brush that on top of the turquoise paint, and then I am going to shake some of that turquoise colored glitter And guys, I have to say, I absolutely love this a lot better. So I've decided to do that with the gold vase as well. Absolutely looks so much better. Okay, so now these are the two colored diamond wraps I'm going to be using, this turquoise or light blue color and this gold. I'm going to do that to trim out our design that I've created. So I've already pre-cut my diamond wrap that I'm going to use, and I'm going to use a little bit of hot glue to attach it. And it came out really nice, guys. Look how pretty that looks already. Looks so much better. And now I'm going to set off just one side of the decorations with this beautiful turquoise and silver brooch. I'm going to place that right there at the bottom. I only have the one in each color, so I'm going to be only using one. Or if you wanted to recreate this and you wanted to put a gem on both sides, that would really be pretty. Lastly, what I'm going to do here is use my Aleene, the Ultimate. This is my permanent adhesive. I'm going to adhere these two small candlestick holders to the bottom of the vase. I'm going to let them dry overnight. All right, guys, so it's the next day. Everything is dry, as you can see. And look how nice this came out. This is so beautiful, guys. I absolutely love the way this looks. And I'm going to show you the final shots of this. And guys, I want to thank you so much for joining me today. I do appreciate it. If you have any questions, as always, you can leave them below. And please don't forget to thumbs up the video. And please don't forget to subscribe. And you all stay well, stay safe, and stay blessed. And I will see you at the next video. Bye-bye.